Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch Sharp display from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This LED kit comes with 2 LED strips, 1 wire adapters. This end connects to our driver, and then the other end connects to your existing inverter wire harness with 5 pins. So let's set aside the LED kit for a second and look at the screen. The screen is made by Sharp. Okay. LQ104V1DG21. It's same procedure as the LQ104V1DG11. So there's 2 screws holding each plastics. So basically you can do it like unscrew the screw, remove the screw, and then take out the cover, just remove the lamp. Okay, so you just make sure it's clean, and then you just basically just peel off, right? Mount it in the center of the light guiding glass. So basically, you just put it back, and then this end can connect either end. So I'm gonna repeat the same procedure on this side, and then you're gonna mount this inverter back to the old PDK inverter location. You can just peel off. Just peel off, stick in. Okay, thank you for watching.